Hello you guys. If you saw my other video, that you know I installed the oil separator after I saw some leak on the near air filter right here. So if you didn't see that video, just go ahead and watch it and explain some more. But let me give you an update on the on how the progress of the oil separator. So what I did is usually on the weekend I go hiking, and the trip from my house to the hiking place is about 60-mile round trip. So I did that every weekend, and I've been doing it for a month and a half already. So let me show you how much oil have been collected since that time. And the average speed on the road that I roll is about maybe 40 to 45 most of the time. So this is how much the oil was collected by the oil separator. Let me show you. There it is. That's how much it is. Now this is about maybe 2 or 3 ounce cup. So the oil was collected is probably about maybe 1/6 of it, 1/6 of a cup. So it's not that much. But imagine if you didn't collect that oil, it's probably gonna go straight into the intake and burned by your system, and on the long term it's gonna clog some of your engine part, or it's gonna be sluggy in your intake pipe, and it might go into the filter too, and the filter gonna get the air filter gonna get clogged, and that's is when you're gonna have trouble starting the scooter, and some other problem like stalling in the middle of the road, and those kind of stuff. So it's always good to buy one of these and install it, and that's the example I got for you. So it's pretty easy to install. You know, I have the video on it already, so if you want to do it, go ahead and check out my other video, and you should able to install it. It's pretty easy, straightforward process, and you should get it done within maybe 30 minutes. And after that, you know, it's gonna save you a lot of time and a headache, and you don't run into that kind of problem like everybody else on the video, on the YouTuber that or on the forum that you see they have a problem with starting problem or stuttering problem or stall problem, those kind of stuff. So $15 oil separator. It's gonna save you time, and if you plan to keep your Chinese scooter for a long time, and this a must do it. So so this oil separator right here, they have a little pin down here, so you press it in, so it's gonna drain the oil out. The reason I didn't drain it yet, because I just want to see, like, within a month or and see how much oil was collected. So I didn't drain it yet, but after this video I'm probably gonna drain it. I've got the shine light on you so you can see a little bit better. So that's the oil separator, and that's how much oil was collected. So it's easy to shine. If I have a light, I'll shine it on it so you can see it better. Alright. So that's how much is collected after maybe 400 miles driving. and that's how much oil is collected. And this is between usually, you know, if I go the speed lower, like maybe somewhere under 35, and there's not a lot of oil that's gonna be coming out from the breather tube on the valve cover. But if I go anything higher than that, like maybe 40 to about 60, then the oil is starting to come out more, because the engine is getting really hot, and they need a lot of air input, so cool the engine down, so basically it won't blow up with all the heat in the engine. So that is the reason why. So the more air that they're asking, from the breather tube, the more oil is gonna take out from the engine itself. So this is a good way to check on it. And also it's a good idea to always check your oil a couple weeks, because the more oil is coming out from the oil separator, the less oil you're gonna have inside your engine. So it's always good to check the level of oil in your engine, so to make sure it's enough. So hope you enjoyed the update, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.